Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the Newppon. Let me get it. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing fine. This is it. The Newppon Sports Armband. I didn't have it in my hand. I'm sorry. And this I'm not going to take out of the package, but it has this armband in the back, and you put your cell phone in it when you're running. And I also got this for my son-in-law because you know, he's into sports and running and all that kind of stuff. So I got this, and well, you can run with it, you can ride your bike, you can skateboard, you can walk your dog, you can ski, you can surf, you can play tennis, you can just hike, you can do anything with it, play basketball. So I got this for him because his birthday's coming. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.